Have you ever wondered why some businesses always seem to know what their customers need before the customers even say it? You open an app, and it recommends exactly what you were thinking of buying. You receive a reminder before you forget a payment. A company reaches out just when you are about to stop using their service. A bank notices that customers are receiving salaries but delaying repayment. A telecom company sees early signs that a customer may leave. A logistics company predicts a delivery delay before the customer starts complaining. At first, it may look like magic. But it is not magic. It is customer behavior prediction. And in today's business world, the companies that grow faster are not always the companies with the biggest offices, the loudest adverts, or the most expensive products. Many times, they are the companies that pay attention. They observe. They listen. They study patterns. And most importantly, they act before the problem becomes too big. That is why the theme of this module is powerful. If you can see it coming, you can change it. Because when a business can predict what customers are likely to do next, that business is no longer reacting blindly. It can prepare. It can personalize. It can prevent loss. It can improve customer experience. And it can make better decisions. Let us begin with a simple story. Imagine it is Salary Friday. Across different cities, thousands of customers have just received their salaries. Phones are buzzing. Bank alerts are dropping. People are planning what to pay for first: rent, school fees, food, transport, subscriptions, debts, family support, and personal needs. Inside a modern data office, a banking team is watching customer behavior on a large LED dashboard. The dashboard is not just showing numbers. It is telling a story. The system begins to notice something. Many customers who usually repay small loans after salary payment are not repaying this time. Balances have increased. Salary inflow is visible. But repayment is low. At first, this may look like a normal delay. But when the data team looks deeper, they begin to see a pattern. Some customers are spending heavily within the first 24 hours of salary. Some are moving money to other accounts. Some are paying bills but ignoring repayment reminders. Some are opening the repayment message but not clicking. Now, an ordinary business may wait until the loan becomes overdue. Then they begin to send aggressive reminders. They may call repeatedly. They may threaten penalties. They may frustrate the customer. But a predictive business does something different. It asks a better question. What is this customer likely to do next, and how can we help before the issue gets worse? That question changes everything. Instead of sending the same reminder to every customer, the bank can segment customers based on behavior. Some customers may simply need a gentle reminder. Some may need a flexible payment option. Some may need a message that explains the consequence of delay. Some may respond better to a personalized alert sent at the right time. Some may need support from a customer care officer. This is the power of prediction. Prediction transforms reminders into relationships. It helps a business move from shouting at customers to understanding customers. It helps the company say, "We noticed you may need support. Here is an option that may help." That kind of message feels different. It feels human. It feels thoughtful. And because it is timely, it can improve repayment, reduce frustration, and protect the relationship between the customer and the business. This is one of the first lessons in predicting customer behavior. Customers are always leaving signals. Every click, every complaint, every purchase, every delay, every abandoned card, every repeated question, every missed payment, every login, every silence, all of them can become signals. But the question is the business paying attention? Let us move to another example. Imagine a telecom company like MTN monitoring customer engagement. On the dashboard, some customer accounts begin to flash red. Why? Because the system has detected churn signals. Churn simply means the customer is likely to leave, stop using the service, or move to a competitor. But customers rarely wake up one morning and leave without warning. Before they leave, they usually show signs. Maybe their recharge frequency drops. Maybe they stop buying data bundles. Maybe they complain several times in 1 month. Maybe network issues affect them repeatedly. Maybe they start using another SIM more often. Maybe they ignore promotional messages they used to respond to. Maybe they contact customer care and do not get a satisfying solution. All these behaviors are signals. A company that does not predict customer behavior may only realize the problem after the customer has already gone. But a company that uses predictive insights can catch the warning early. The dashboard flashes red. The customer success team investigates. They ask, "What changed? What problem is this customer experiencing? What offer, support, or solution can help retain this person?" Then they respond proactively. Maybe they send a personalized data offer. Maybe they apologize for poor service in a specific area. Maybe they give a loyalty reward. Maybe they escalate a complaint. Maybe they recommend a better plan based on usage. That is why one of the scenes in this module says, "Every early signal is a second chance to retain trust." That line is very important. Because customer retention is not just about discounts. It is about trust. Many businesses lose customers not because the customer hated them, but because the customer felt unseen, the customer felt ignored. The customer felt like the company only cared when money was involved. Now, let us look at predictive behavior from a global perspective. Think of companies like Amazon. When customers browse products, add items to cart, read reviews, buy frequently, or search for related items, the system learns from those behaviors. It begins to predict what the customer may want next. That is why recommendations appear. Customers who bought this also bought that. You may also like this. Buy again. Recommended for you. These are not random suggestions. They are based on patterns. The system studies what you have done before and compares it with what similar customers have done. Then it makes predictions. This is useful because many customers do not want to search forever. They want convenience. They want speed. They want relevance. And when a business can reduce the stress of decision-making, the customer experience improves. Now think about Toyota or other modern automotive brands using vehicle alerts. A car may detect that a part needs servicing soon. The dashboard alerts the driver before a breakdown happens. That is prediction in action. The car is not waiting for the driver to be stranded on the road. It is saying, "Something may go wrong soon. Please attend to it." This is the same principle businesses must apply to customer experience. Do not wait until the customer is angry. Do not wait until the customer leaves. Do not wait until the complaint becomes public. If you can see it coming, you can change it. Prediction helps businesses move from emergency response to proactive service. Let us bring it closer to logistics. Imagine a company like Dangote managing large-scale movement of products. Trucks are moving. Customers are waiting. Warehouses are tracking stock. Road conditions are changing. Fuel costs are rising. Some routes are delayed. Some destinations are experiencing high demand. Now, without prediction, the business may only react when delays happen. The customer calls angrily. The delivery is late. The sales team starts apologizing. The company's reputation suffers. But with predictive insights, the logistics team can see warning signs early. They can study traffic patterns. They can monitor routes. They can predict which delivery may be delayed. They can reroute trucks. They can inform customers ahead of time. They can adjust inventory movement. They can reduce waste. This is why prediction saves time, revenue, and reputation, all in one move. Because in business, delay is not only a transport problem. Delay can become a customer experience problem. And when customer experience is affected, trust is affected. When trust is affected, loyalty is affected. When loyalty is affected, revenue is affected. So prediction is not just for data analysts. Prediction is for every serious business that wants to grow. It helps sales teams know who is likely to buy. It helps marketing teams know what message to send. It helps customer service teams know who needs attention. It helps product teams understand what customers value. It helps business owners make smarter decisions. It helps leaders stop guessing. Now, let us pause and ask, what exactly influences customer behavior? Customers do not make decisions in isolation. Many things influence them. Price influences them. Quality influences them. Convenience influences them. Trust influences them. Emotion influences them. Past experience influences them. Recommendations from friends influence them. Online reviews influence them. Economic conditions influence them. Timing influences them. A customer may love a product but delay buying because money is tight. Another customer may have money but refuse to buy because they had a bad experience before. Another customer may not understand the value of the product. Another may be waiting for a discount. Another may be comparing alternatives. Another may be loyal because the business treated them well in the past. This is why businesses must not look at customer data as ordinary numbers. Behind every number is a person. Behind every pattern is a behavior. Behind every behavior is a reason. And behind every reason is an opportunity to serve better. Predicting customer behavior begins with data. But it must not end with data. It must lead to better action. For example, if data shows that customers are abandoning their carts, the business should ask, are the prices too high? Is the payment process stressful? Are delivery fees discouraging them? Do they need more trust signals? Do they need reviews? Do they need a reminder? Do they need a simpler checkout process? If data shows that customers are not coming back after the first purchase, the business should ask, was the product experience poor? Was delivery delayed? Was customer support weak? Did we follow up? Did we give them a reason to return? If data shows that some customers buy every month, the business should ask, what do these loyal customers have in common? How can we reward them? How can we find more customers like them? How can we increase their lifetime value? This is where segmentation becomes important. Segmentation means grouping customers based on shared characteristics or behavior. Not all customers are the same. Some are new customers. Some are loyal customers. Some are high-value customers. Some are at-risk customers. Some buy only during discounts. Some buy frequently. Some engage with emails. Some prefer WhatsApp. Some respond to calls. Some prefer self-service. When a business treats all customers the same, it misses opportunities. But when a business segments customers properly, it can communicate better. For example, a new customer may need education. A loyal customer may need appreciation. An inactive customer may need reactivation. A high-value customer may need premium support. An at-risk customer may need urgent attention. A price-sensitive customer may need value-based offers. This is how prediction improves marketing, sales, and retention. It helps the business know who to talk to, when to talk to them, and what to say. But there is something very important we must not forget. Predicting customer behavior must be done ethically. Customer data is powerful. But power must be handled with responsibility. Businesses must collect data honestly. They must protect customer information. They must avoid manipulation. They must respect privacy. They must not use data to exploit people. They must be transparent where necessary. They must ask, Are we using this insight to help the customer, or are we using it to pressure the customer? This is why the human touch matters. AI can predict. Dashboards can alert. Models can recommend. But humans must decide with wisdom, empathy, and responsibility. Anticipation without compassion is just automation. And automation without ethics can damage trust. So as businesses begin to use customer data, they must remember: the goal is not to control customers. The goal is to care for them better. The goal is not to invade privacy. The goal is to improve experience. The goal is not to replace human understanding. The goal is to support better decision-making. That is why this module is not only about analytics. It is about customer intelligence. IT is about learning how to see what is coming, so that we can respond wisely. When a business predicts churn, it can retain customers. When it predicts demand, it can manage stock better. If one business does not understand them, another business will. That is why customer behavior prediction is no longer a luxury. It is becoming a necessity. Now, this is where customer touchpoint and insight comes in. At Customer Touchpoint and Insight, we help businesses move from guesswork to intelligent growth. We help organizations understand their customers better across different touchpoints. From marketing to sales. From customer service to retention. From digital engagement to operational experience. Our goal is simple: to help companies upscale their business by using customer insights, data, and innovative strategies to improve customer experience and drive growth. We help businesses identify patterns. We help them understand customer behavior. We help them design better engagement strategies. We help them use technology, analytics, and customer experience solutions in a practical way. Because when businesses understand their customers, they serve better. When they serve better, customers trust them more. When customers trust them more, they return. And when customers return, the business grows in value, loyalty, and profitability. So, if your organization wants to stop guessing and start making smarter customer-focused decisions, Customer Touchpoint and Insight is here to help. We believe that the future of business belongs to companies that can listen deeply, learn quickly, and act wisely. Because the best businesses do not only respond to customers. They anticipate them. They do not only solve problems. They prevent them. They do not only sell products. They build relationships. That is the heart of predicting customer behavior. And that is the message of this module. If you can see it coming, you can change it. Predict. Prevent. Personalize.